So Ryan, sit down, Ryan. It's that time of the month, buddy. Look, by the 5th, we've collected checks from the real estate. It's about Cardone Capital. Today is check day. On the 5th, we collect the money. Today's what?
The 15th.
On the 15th, we send it out. We send it out. We receive it, and then we send it back out to my investors. This right here, by the way, is a box of checks we're sending to investors. Okay? What's the total on this? Total amount of monies? Do we know?
$150,000.
Over $150,000 being sent to investors. I'm just going to randomly pull some of these out. My friend Matthew, Fidelity, by the way, this is going back to Fidelity, to a SEP fund IRA account. Matthew, Diane, Jack, Vasmy, Dallas Realty, Scott, Jared, not my Jared, JRC Holdings, Paul and Roxanne, Jason Fiore, Andrea. Some of these checks, $1,500, $1,250, $1,000, $2,000, $1,200, $1,250, $1,500, $1,000, $3,000, $1,250. Imagine getting that check every month, $3,000 a month. All these folks random right here, okay? The Daniel, my friend Daniel H, Howard T, we got Scott S, we got Fairhope, Alabama getting checks, Marina Del Rey, Lafayette, Louisiana, Dallas, Texas, Morgan Reeds. They call me the real deal. You know why? Because I write real checks to people every month, okay? This first page, this first group right here represents $24,000 worth of checks. The next group right here, they had rubber bands around this, I think right here, $41,000 worth of checks. The entire box is how much?
150. So the
$150,000.
Extra for 70.
By the way, we're not even distributing to every property we own now. This is all just for people that invest with me, not to me, okay? $49.32, $98.63, $54.25, $5,425 a month goes to my friend JB. You know who you are, JLB? $5,400 a month. Bang, bang, bang. Cardone Capital is the fun, folks. If you love real estate, you understand if it's simple. If you're like, I can go visit it, I can look at it, I can touch it. Real people are living there. These are real properties producing real income, okay? I can't get rid of this. If there was a fire in one of these units, it's not gonna burn down all 5,000 units. You understand? If there was a storm, a hurricane or a tornado, okay, we might have some damage at a handful, but it's not gonna knock out all of them. So when you invest with me at Cardone Capital, what happens is we buy the deal, we find the deal, we fund the deal, we get the debt on the deal. I sign for the debt, you don't. You're not obligated to that debt, I am. And what I do for you, you trust me, and I send you checks every month. $12.33, here's a small check, $185 a month. This person, by the way, is in 6 of my deals, so this is just one check he gets. Here's another check for $493, so you know they're not all big. Here's one for $74 a month. 1973, $12.33, $12.33, $986, $493, $616 a month, $24.66, $12.33, $4,192. Paige, I know y'all loving this. Third one that Paige is in with me, okay? I've been doing this 30 years. We collect the money between the 1st and the 7th of each month. We collect the rent, we pay all the expenses, we send the rest out to investors on the 20th, what's the date?
Today's the 15th.
And on the 15th, we start trying to get checks out. It's Friday afternoon. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. I came back in here signing these checks. Matthew, congratulations to all of you that invested with me. Here's S4W LLC, March Estates LLC. Can I even mention their names? They're not acting like that. Huh? Shane, how you doing? Michelle, Ryan, Anthony, Provident Trust. I'm not going to finish the name there, but these are LLC, SEP programs, retirement accounts. Here's a pension trust company right here that we're sending checks to, okay? Here's a guy that lives up in Canada. Here's Derek over in the UK. So if you're international, local, okay, as long as you're qualified, as long as you have dry powder, as long as you're not giving me your last dollars and you're a qualified investor and you love real estate and you have a good attitude. Look, if you have a bad attitude, I don't want your money because I don't want to be a partner with you. Right? If you got a bad attitude, I don't want you to be my friend. I mean, let's face it, you got a bad attitude, you're not a good friend to have, okay? If you got a bad attitude, if you're negative, if negative things happen to you, if you're a victim, if you're struggling, this is not the right thing for you. Get your feet under you, get your feet firmly under your shoulders, get your money right, get your attitude right, your business right. I can help you that with the sales stuff. And then when you got some liquid money, some extra money that you want to start growing passively without you doing the work, without you finding the deals, without you managing the deals, without you taking the phone calls. You like real estate, it's real to you, you understand it, it pays you cash flow, you get depreciation, you get the tax advantages, you get the leverage, and you don't get the headaches. CardoneCapital.com, CardoneCapital.com. 30 years I've been doing this. I've bought almost 50 deals. Over $1 billion worth of real estate has been bought and sold. We currently have $800 million of assets under management. They all produce income. They're all in good locations. I personally picked the spot. I know what I'm doing. I'm proven commodity. So if you've been thinking about real estate, if you love real estate, if you like the idea of the passive income, look, the only reason anybody buys real estate is to get checks. Nobody buys real estate because they're like, I want to buy real estate. You buy real estate to make money. Okay? This is 300 investors right here. We're finishing this fund right now. We have about 20 spots left open for qualified investors. Our average investor puts in 400 grand. Our biggest investors have $2 and $3 million in our fund. My brother's in here, my sister's in here, my mother-in-law's in here, and you get exactly the identical deal to my twin brother. Love to have you invested in Cardone Capital.